Will India become rich before it becomes old? Prime Minister Narendra Modi's ambitious mission of Viksit Bharat envisions India as a fully developed and high-income nation by 2047. India's greatest asset today is its young workforce. Three-fourths of our population is of working age, but this advantage won't last forever. Fertility rates are falling, and in the next decade, the working age population will start declining. What happens if India becomes old before it becomes rich? A shrinking workforce will struggle to drive high GDP growth rates, making it difficult for India to sustain development. More elderly people and fewer working age individuals will strain pensions, healthcare, and social welfare programs. With fewer people earning and paying taxes, the government will struggle to fund infrastructure and welfare programs. If India fails to industrialize and innovate now, we risk overtaken by younger economies like Indonesia and Vietnam. So what are the roadblocks we are facing to become a developed, high-income nation? 1. The middle income trap. This happens when a country grows quickly at first but then gets stuck before becoming rich. As wages rises, it loses its edge in cheap labor and doesn't innovate fast enough to compete with richer nations. 2. Job creation crisis. Too many Indians are stuck in low productivity jobs or are unemployed waiting for opportunities. 3. Weak manufacturing sector. Unlike China, India hasn't scaled its industries fast enough. Business regulations, land access and trade barriers make growth difficult. 4. Skill gaps. Education isn't translating into employable skills, limiting youth participation in high-value industries. But the future is in our hands. Here's what the youth of the nation can do. Learn in-demand skills in AI, robotics, green tech, and global finance. Build businesses beyond IT. Support manufacturing and invest in deep tech, startups, and product-based industries. Compete internationally by developing world-class companies and expanding India's global presence. Encourage women in the workforce. More working women mean higher economic growth. Invest early, build wealth, and support India's growing economy. And for more such finance content, follow PickRight.